And so I've seen people make this recipe a lot on TikTok and online, and they get like the Grillo spears and then they chop them up. And I'm like, why don't you just get the Grillo salsa and it's already chopped up for you? Like, why are we chopping up the pickle? And I feel like this has more flavor than just the plain Grillo's pickle that you're chopping up. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm gonna mix really well. My whisk isn't clean, but so I'm doing this with a spoon. I forgot the sharp cheese. What am I doing? Some sharp cheese. Like coming together like as like a nice thick dip as opposed to like a sauce. Oh yeah, it just holds up on the chip better. But again, I'm gonna let this sit overnight. Tomorrow. Oh, that's fucking addicting. Uh-oh. That's the ticket. Real quick, I have some like artichoke dip from Trader Joe's, and I just put it on the chip, the corn chip with the Grillo's dip that I just made. Changes it completely. Well, not completely, let's not be dramatic. Adding the artichoke and jalapeno dip from Trader Joe's to the Grillo's dip is the way to go. Obviously, not everybody in the country has Trader Joe's, but if you have like an artichoke jalapeno dip or just artichoke dip to add to this and a hot sauce. Because the artichoke adds like a bite into it, like some sustenance.